Hi everyone, this is Ali from Temax Hardware in China. We Temax mainly producing the hinge zeros, sliding roller zeros, drawer slide zeros, continent support, and etc. Within 15 years of experience, we have imported many countries with our products. And today I will introduce our push-open system model to you. This is a reinforced sliding arm push-to-open damper. This material is plastic and the cover material is aluminum alloy. The basis of this push-open damper looks like a head of train. You can see just press here and the base can be slide on and can be separated. And the color, we have three colors. This is the silver, black, and the gray. The color looks very advanced, and it can be well protected the inner core, and it is very to install. This is the inner core, and the material is plastic. It is very easy to install, and if your inner core is damaged, you can replace the cover by yourself. It is very easy, and you can adjust the protruding distance about 1 to 5 millimeters, just rotating there. Yeah, and the inner core is removable, yes, so you can replace the cover by on it. And at the same time, the push-open damper is a magnetic head. This is an iron sheet. Yes, you can see it is very close, and it can make your door open, close, and very well. When installing this push-open damper, you also can use with two soft closing hinges. The effect will be better. Okay, that's all. Thank you.